Aloha, small business Ohana. Today's Marketing Mon a Minute tip: avoid overwhelm with a plan. If you don't avoid overwhelm, you're on the road to burnout. And if you've been there before, you know it's not pretty. You can avoid being overwhelmed with preparation by taking a proactive approach to your business, including the day-to-day and longer-term challenges. The key to strategic planning is to address your whole business and ensure your marketing is aligned. It does take time to create a plan, and it is doable by defining strategies, objectives, SMART goals, priorities, boundaries, communication, resource management, cash flow, and culture. These are key factors to being prepared as a small business owner. Not sure where to start? Join me next week for a 5-day workshop where you will plan 2024 like a business owner. It's only 30 minutes a day, and you'll walk away with clarity in direction, activities, and priorities, and you'll know what you need to do to grow your business, stabilize your cash flow, and increase your revenue, all while focused on serving your dream clients and taking action towards your purpose-driven mission. Check the post for a link to learn more. Mahalo.